If you can't find the vibration alarm in 8 Sleep, or not sure how to set your wake time and intensity, here's how to do it in the app. From the home screen, go to the alarm section to manage your alarm settings. If you already have an alarm, tap it to edit. If not, tap the plus sign to create a new one. Choose your wake time first, then check repeat to make sure it's set for the correct day or days. From here, you can also adjust your alarm temperature and vibration settings. To set your vibration strength, tap into vibration and choose the intensity that feels right for you. If you want a gentler wake up, you can also set an alarm temperature. When everything looks right, make sure your alarm toggle is turned on. If your alarm isn't working as expected, first check repeat, then review your vibration and temperature settings. It also helps to check for duplicate bedtime schedules and confirm your Wi-Fi connection, since connectivity can affect app speed and accuracy.